Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Alright, so let's begin by tapping on the settings. Let me go back. Right here we have to scroll down and find, here we are in the general. Let's go back to the regular settings, general settings. Here we have to scroll down and find display and brightness. Then let's go and find night shift, which is the name of the eye comfort mode basically, or night mode in this device. So let's tap on night shift and let's begin by tapping on manually enable until tomorrow, which is obviously a manual way to turn it on. So just tap on the switcher and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left we can make it cooler, it's almost invisible, and by going to the right, warmer, it's orangish. We can also schedule that feature just by tapping on the switcher at the top, and now we can freely choose the start and the end time. So here let me tap on turn on and change the hour to 11 o'clock and here to 10 o'clock. And basically after setting it, your device will automatically turn on the night shift at that time and turn it off at that time. Moreover, here we've got the option sunset to sunrise, and after choosing it, your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, so it's completely up to you whether you'd like to use it or not. Let me go back. And basically this is the whole customization of night shift, and this is how to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.